it yourself kit rather than to just let us repair your credit for you at Upstream. And that's cool. The DIY kit is only $200. This kit's going to give you everything that you need to get started, fixing your own credit, fixing your family's credit, or starting your own credit repair business in 2024. Why not? Why not get started? You didn't get that LLC yet. You were supposed to get it, but you didn't get it yet. You were supposed to. It's not here yet. You're still at the starting point of your LLC. Why not start an LLC that can help others? Why not start a credit repair company? Huh? What other way to give back? So DM me if you want the do-it-yourself kit, or if you don't have the time, you're like, Doc, I don't got time to do that. You handle that. We can handle that for you here at the Upstream Life Group. Hit like, hit subscribe, join the channel. Chill.